In a world filled with constant noise and distraction, it can be easy to lose sight of your own potential and inner strength. We often find ourselves seeking validation and approval from others, allowing their opinions to shape our self-perception and limiting our ability to achieve greatness. But what if I told you that the key to unlocking your full potential lies within you? You have to be the best you in order to achieve greatness. These words hold a profound truth that we often overlook. Each of us is unique with our own set of talents, strengths, and weaknesses. It is when we fully embrace who we are without seeking validation from others that we can truly tap into our inner warrior spirit. Take a moment to look deep into your soul. What do you see? Is there a spark of determination, a flicker of courage, or a reservoir of untapped potential waiting to be unleashed? It is in these moments of self-reflection that we can begin to understand the power that lies within us. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. You are capable of achieving greatness, but it all starts with believing in yourself. Trust in your abilities. Have faith in your journey and know that you are worthy of all the success and happiness that comes your way. Pull out the warrior who is willing to die for greatness. This statement might sound intense, but it speaks to the level of dedication and commitment required to achieve your goals. Your inner warrior is the part of you that is fearless, relentless, and unwavering in the pursuit of greatness. Tap into the warrior spirit, channel its strength, and let it guide you. Finding the warrior within ourselves is about tapping into our inner strength, courage, and determination. It is about summoning the part of us that is relentless in the pursuit of our dreams, that is unyielding in the face of obstacles, and that is willing to make the sacrifices for the sake of our goals. Swabby Dobby.